Few would expect a patent for poultry food from an electrical engineering genius. However, the truth is that on June 23, 1938, the Patent Office in Washington issued Nikola Tesla a certificate for a commercial trademark named Factor Octus, protecting a specific recipe for poultry food. Tesla was 82 years old at the time. In a letter to a friend, Tesla revealed that in his childhood, his mother once asked him, "Son, why do some chickens grow and become stronger than others even though I feed them all equally?" Childhood memories surfaced in Tesla's recollection at that time. This is confirmed in a beautiful letter he wrote in 1938 to Pola Fodik, the daughter of the Yugoslav ambassador, where he mentioned his beloved rooster and a hostile goose. Decades later, this unusual maternal question inspired Tesla to feed pigeons in Central Park, New York, with particular care and in an unusual way. The parks and squares in New York where he fed pigeons are known, but few know that he seriously studied the composition of bird feed. His deep affection for pigeons, coupled with his profound work on their food mixture, led to the registration of the trademark Factor Octus. The meticulous preparation involved in creating the trademark is evident from the numerous photographs of pigeons and roosters, as well as 2 drawings studies that preceded the creation of the trademark. The authors of these drawings and the photographers are unknown, but thanks to them, one can see the amount of love and thought Tesla put into designing the trademark. He pondered whether to depict a pigeon, chicken, or a splendid rooster. He collected photographs of pigeons and poultry in various poses until finally crystallizing the idea of the emblem's appearance, ultimately featuring a picture of a magnificent rooster taken at Paul Parker's photographic studio.
Like John Ruskin, I also declare that I will neither kill nor injure any living being unnecessarily, nor destroy any beautiful thing, but will strive to preserve all that is precious and alive, and nurture all the natural beauty on earth.